Nganza ukuthi uma umusha ngiyocela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uphinde ulike le video, do comment on the section if uzwa ke esengathi ke khona ke ongakusho lana ke kwi comment section ngezansi. Lana ke bafethu ke uKing Misuzulu lo esingayila namhlanje ke talking about ke umshado ke noma ke ingqinamba ke abhekene nazo. Laphana ke uyiso ukuthi ke ensukwini nje ezingengakanani ezedlule uKing Misuzulu kaZwelithini is currently facing legal challenges regarding his intention to marry another wife. His first wife, Queen Ntokozo laphana ke kaMayisela, has filed an urgent court interdict to prevent the marriage, arguing that their civil marriage prohibits him from entering into another marriage without a divorce. Queen Mayisela laphana claims that proceedings with the marriage would constitute laphana to a breach of South African law. So the situation has sparked the significant public interest and debate, particularly concerning the intersection of traditional practices and modern frameworks. Laphana ke sikhuluma ke ngemthetho yesimanje kanye nemithetho leya yasendulo ke ehambiselana ke kakhulukazi nama traditions of which ke amasiko lawo. So the legal system currently favors uQueen kaMayisela ke iposition akuyona ke noma ke la asho khona ke ukuthi ke yena akakuvumeli ukuthi ke isilo singathatha umunye unkosikazi ngoba ke umthetho nendlela abashade ngayo ayikuvuni noma ke ayikuvumeli lokho, as a civil marriage does not allow for polygamy without a formal divorce. That means ke kushuthi kuyomela qale ke kahle yona ndlela ke atshela ngayo ke isilo ke mangibheka nje ukuthi ke kushuthi kuyomela qala divorce yena ukuze ke ekwazi ke ukuqhubeka nayo lento ke athi ke afuna ukuyenza lapha yana ke uKing Misuzulu. The situation has sparked a significant public interest and debate, particularly concerning the intersection njengoba sike sashilo laphana ukuthi imithetho njengoba ke ingavumi lokho engabe ke ikona kuphi njengoba ke abantu behlukene ke nangemibono ngalolu daba. The legal system currently favors ukaMayisela njengoba sisishilo lapha yana ke. It's a complex issue, it's a complex situation that highlights the evolving nature of tradition in the face of modern societal changes. So ngokwakho ke thina nganza kwethu ke sifisa ke ukwazi ukuthi ke what are your thoughts on this situation. Ungaphinde ke uyitholele lolu daba noma ke indaba ezithi ayifane nalezi lapha ke ku Times Live uphinde ke ubhekele lapha ke kwi The Witness. Anyways bafethu ngiyofisa ke ukuzwa ngani ukuthi ke nina do you think ngempela ke umona noma yini mhlambe ke koMayisela noma ke kufanelekile ukuthi ke ngempela balandelele ke umthetho ngalendlela ke asho ngayo. Anyways don't forget to like this video. Danko.